second clip now. We're going to keep going with looking at how does the nervous system react. So receptors, remember, are located on the end of our sensory nerves, and I often draw it something like this. Okay, and then there's our little neuron there. And their function again is to gather types of information, both inside and outside. So it could be things like light, temperature, sound. As I said earlier, oxygen concentration. It might be how much hormonal levels are in our body, that sort of thing. This picture is just showing you primarily different types of receptors: touch, pain. That one doesn't look so much fun there. A light touch, and this stretch receptors. Effectors are, again, I can't really emphasize this enough, that we must remember that there are two kinds of effectors. A muscle, and there's three types of muscle: heart, skeletal, and smooth, and an effect, and a gland. And a gland is either endocrine or exocrine. Okay, and they are not inside the central nervous system. They're in the periphery. And they do. Remember, there are two things that a gland can do. They can secrete their product locally, an exocrine gland, or they can send their hormones somewhere else, an endocrine gland, to a target tissue. Okay, I think I've talked about that quite a bit. So we have to remember that no body system works alone, that they're interdependent. And I always show you that picture in the very beginning where we look at the system we're working in and how it relates to the other systems. And so it's the nervous system and the endocrine system, though, that work together to maintain homeostasis. Very important concept there. They don't compete with each other, they complement each other. But these are the two that we rely on internally to help maintain our homeostasis. So looking at the effect and response time, I always think that the nervous system is the quick and dirty version. It's short-acting, localized effect, quick response. Okay? I don't know if you can hear that train coming. And then the longer acting, the endocrine, it's slower, generalized. It's there for the long haul. Okay? And the effect is the same. Clip number 2.